Oh, it's an antique shop where the grandfather clock Lewis is there. No, but it's not working anymore. Kawawa naman si Lewis, the grandfather clock. Matanda na clock kasi siya. Tapos, binili siya ng old man. Pagkatapos, inayo siya. Tapos, nag-click, click, click. Sabi na dito, boing! 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 Tunog na yung grandfather clock. Kasi inayos na siya. Wow! Tick-tock! Tick-tock! Boing! Boing! Sabi na ng grandfather clock, boing! Boing! No? Wow! Ito naman Sammy and the whale. Wow! Fish! Fish! Fishes! Dami pala. Iba't ibang fish, oh. Wow! Tapos may bark.